Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need some pony beads. I have neon white and some transparent purple. You're also going to need some tri beads. I have some mini pony beads and some type of specialty bead. I'm going to use these butterfly beads. And I want to talk a little bit about these beads before we get started. Oh, and also you're going to need the butterfly that we made last week. So if you don't have one of these, go ahead and stop the video. And I will have a link in the description so you can go make one of these and then come back. These are from 2006. I found these. I've made this cuff once before, and I'm like, I think I'm gonna make a few until these beads run out, and I'll have it on my shop in case someone doesn't want to make one of these cuffs. But I thought this was, I didn't realize these beads were that old. A couple more years they'll be vintage. Okay, now to the tutorial. Did I say we need scissors? And you're going to need a lot of string. I would start with 4 feet, and then if you run out, you can always tie some more on. And if you don't have any of these, like, different types of beads, you can substitute pony beads, whatever you have. Our pattern is going to be 1 white pony bead and 3 purple. Is that there? So 1 white, 3 purple. Okay, we're going to do that 10 times. So we have 2. So just keep adding your sets on until we have 10. Okay. The easiest way for me is if I count out 10 of the white beads and set them aside. That way you don't have to keep counting, but this is what it looks like. And you have a short end and a long end. We're going to tie this together. And this will shrink a little bit as we start making it. I think this cuff measures like 9, will stretch to 10 inches, so you wear a little higher up on your arm. Okay, we can cut the small one off. And what you're going to do is, we have our knot right here. We're just going to pull that back a little bit. We want it behind the white here. can put your needle on if you have one. And our pattern's going to be 3 purple and we go through the white. Go through the white. We're going to repeat that all the way around. Oh no, my string's caught. That's what happens when you're working with a really long piece of string. It'll get caught on everything. Okay. Three purple and go through the white. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of these off camera, and then I'll show you how to start the next row. Okay guys, I'm at the end here. I went through the white, and this is what it looks like. Now we need to go through these two. So we went through the white and then 2 purple to get to that middle purple. And for this row, we're going to switch up the pattern. Purple, white, white, purple. Purple, white, purple. Like this. And you're going to go through the middle. Purple. Same thing. Go through the middle. Okay, we're going to do that all the way around, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, I'm at the end here, and you're going to go through, to start the next row, you're going to go through 2 purple and the white. Okay, and now we're back to adding the 3 purple and going through the white. Three purple and then go through the white. Okay, so this whole row is going to be purple, and then you're going to do another row of the purple, white, and purple, and then the last row will be all purple. So it's the same 2 patterns over and over. I'm going to do the rest of this cuff off camera, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, when you're finished with the cuff, this is what it should look like. You want to make sure you have 3 white and 2 purple X's in the middle. And you should be coming out of the purple like this. Okay, our outside pattern is going to be a purple pony bead, a tri bead, a mini pony bead, a white pony bead, mini pony bead, tri bead, and another purple. Okay, that's our pattern. we're coming out of this purple. We need to go on the directly on the other side through these three. Okay. Now the next pattern is going to change a little bit. It's a tri-bead. Oops. A tri-bead, a pony bead, tri-bead, butterfly, tri-bead. But like I said, if you don't have these other beads, you can just use pony beads. We're coming out of the white. We need to go across here and go through the white and these two purple. Okay, we're back to the purple. Now we're going to do these same patterns over and over, but we're going to change the color. The white and clear will stay the same, but the colors will change. I have a turquoise. There's my pattern. Okay, we're going to go directly across to this middle purple. These two purple and this white. Okay, directly across to this white, and then these two purple. Okay, we're on our last color, and then we're going to repeat what we already did after pink. Okay. Started with purple. And we end with pink. So we're going to go back to purple. So we're going to repeat the same thing right here on this side. I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera, and then I'll come back and show you the next step. Okay guys, I'm at the end here. I added my last one, which was the pink butterfly, and I went through the white and these two purple. And I'll go ahead and show you what this looks like. Okay, now we're going to add the butterfly. But you also need to go through these two beads. You want to get to the white bead here. And what we're going to do is take our needle and go across. This is the bottom of the butterfly, the white bead. And I'm going through the white and the purple. Now, if it was easier, you could tie each of these separate, but I like to try to use the same string with less knots if possible, but that's just because I'm crazy. We need to weave up to get to this white bead. So I'm just going to go back and forth this set of purple and then across here. Does that make sense? And you can tighten this. And we want to go through this white and back around. So we're making a loop here, coming back through. So a circle. And you're going to pull that tight, and you can tie it up here. And what I mean by it might be easier if you don't want to travel through and weave it all on one piece, you could, you could have tied the string that we had right here and then just tied the butterfly at this point and then at this point. But like I said, I like it to be all one. But this is what it looks like when it's finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you next time.